this is what the dogs have done today. There's something in this tree, and all of our firewood is all knocked down. This is horrible. I don't know what is in the tree. Pretty bad. Oh my, what are you doing, Lou? Oh my goodness, Lulu, you're up on top, man! What is it, baby? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Now Charlotte's trying to go up. What is it? Oh my god. Not a good idea, girls. I don't see anything in the tree, but you never know.